Hey guys, in this very interesting video, we are going to see and use the amazing Microsoft Bing AI image generator, which can quickly generate high quality AI images based on your prompt, and those look really amazing. If you scroll this, you can see what prompts people have given and what kind of result does it produce. So you can check out all of these awesome prompts and just take an idea of what can be done here. So let's write a prompt and let's see its results. First of all, obviously you need to sign in with the Microsoft account. So if you don't have it, you can just quickly create it and just log in here, and then we can generate some of the awesome images. So for example, let me just write a prompt here. Now I have written here, a man sitting in the car enjoying the sunset on the beach. Let's see how it creates it. And we have a limited credits available every week. So let's create it. Right now it's 15 credits. So let's see after creating these images, how much is used out of it. So as we can see, guys, it's really nice. It looks super awesome. We have different cars here, and if we open one of them, it's of amazing quality, guys. So we can just download that and use it wherever we want. As we can see here, 1024 by 1024 is the image size. So let me just open the file and show you the quality of it. So as we can see, this quality is really good. You can use it wherever you want. Now let's generate a funny image, that skydiving scene of a lady carrying grocery. Let's create it. And as we can see, only one credit is used. So that's not much. So that's awesome, guys. As you can see here, it looks amazing. So that's how you do it with Microsoft Bing AI image generator. You need a Microsoft account for that. So just quickly create that and explore that because it is super awesome. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you want to learn more about it, just comment down below and I'll make some more videos about it. So that's pretty much it. Take care and have a great day.